It's all about the gloss when it comes to your floors. We understand that at Spartan Chemical, which is why we have been a leader in floor care maintenance for over 60 years. Over the past decade, technologies and chemistry have enabled great advances in floor care products. This is FloorFront. FloorFront is a Green Seal certified zinc-free finish that is low maintenance yet delivers beautiful gloss. It requires half the burnishing, recoating, and stripping that other zinc-free finishes require, so you'll see immeasurable savings in labor. Whether your priority is sustainability, building image, or cost containment, a floor care expert from Spartan can customize a maintenance and restorative program for your facility. Contact a Spartan representative to learn more today.